Nobody knows me. So you see, when you go sit down and talk, you cannot hurt me. Dear, you see, when it touch life, and I grow, I will have to make a change in our life. Me now go try, because I say, first of all, me go run it by Uno again. Me no ano mama, me no ano poopa on social media. Nobody cannot beat me when me leave out of my house. Yes, I take certain precaution when me not eat from people, because most of the time I support my fellow Jamaican because of things that happen in the past, and most of the time when me buy a food as my son eat it, me not afraid and nobody. I am well strong. Nobody can break me. Words cannot bring me down. Me talk. Me have my own recipient. May I go with it? Say May I go with it? May I go with it? Say me have sore foot. Me have wooden foot. Me live on that tent. Them there's something they not break me. Now let me tell you something. I come by here. I me tell you this. Me say. Me come with my own mind, body and soul. Me have a mind of my own. No, I am a person like this. I will know something and I will not say. I don't get people into trouble. I don't, when I tell you I don't get people into trouble, I don't. And I am not going down certain road. I am not going to live it with me. I am not because I don't argue with people mean I am scared or I have nothing to hide. I just don't want to explain, or I have nothing to explain to nobody. You know when nobody mean, it meaning say, you see, it now gonna make me well love out here. It now gonna make me getting a few stars. I never cash out a cent for stars. Me have $200 in a stars. Me get all bonus, so me never know about me lose all some of them. I don't care. The only thing I care about, and this is why I don't, even though as I have to have a heart of my own, and as a human being, no become a weird dirty girl frat, no become a black and ugly and if a gully monkey, me have a heart. So I will not attack, I hate your whole baby, even though I don't like the grandmama, because I don't know the mother. So even though I don't like the grandmama, and I will not attack a rape victim. No, this thing come on social media, let me tell you something. I don't deal in politics. And I am going to say it again. I am going to say it once and for all. Me no own nobody, no explanation. But me I go say it once and for all. I am my own big woman. So when I hear they said I am talking because me say the whole of we, you know, see it unfold pan ya, the whole of we out here wicked. The whole of we out here bitter. Only some is bitter than some we have limit, while some not have no limit, till them don't have no limited. No, I don't have a reason to talk to certain people on here. But if it comes out where I have to, I will. Meaning that you can talk to people, you have to know the respect and the level, but I don't have. So anybody whether don't want to believe it or not, it will not. It will not. I will maintain my peace for my dignity. I will maintain my peace for my health. I will maintain my peace for my people, that I know my good people around me. Anybody, let me tell you something, and even from when I went about the award, and Anybody, nobody can send me. Nobody's going to bring me in that line. Nobody can make I do nothing that I don't want to do. So nobody can poke me and feel like I am going to talk. About, it's going like 2 years and something. Some information had reached out to me about an individual, and that individual and I had some argument. Nobody knows. Yes, some people come to me because people pictures were put out and people came to talk about to want the picture to come down. Nobody knows where or when or the date, because myself I was to search along to find the picture. The picture was to get the pictures, was to search, because they were way down. You know how much pictures I have in my phone. Nobody will know where I get my information from. Nobody, none of those individuals, and I'm making this clear because when the reason why I come here is for this. None of those, I put out 4 women, 2 sisters. I put out 4 women, and as God is my witness, and when I don't, listen to me, I don't care who tell people that tell lies. I don't care, because get what I'm gonna tell you, I am this type of person. If I'm talking to the bag and the bag tell lie upon me, I will not, because if I wasn't mixing up with the bag cannot tell lie. I don't care. But when you're going to use none of those individuals, as God is my witness, I don't think I have to go to the road today because I'm working from home these days. But I will have to go on the road. No, I don't have to prick Monday. Tuesday. As God is my witness, none of those individuals' pictures that I put up on social media, I get that information from them. I did not get that information about that, because I'm not going to go down road. And you know, that is a funny thing. When that individual had to draw me out, I had those information even before there and another lady that I was friend with, and it pained me heart. And nobody else now draw me out here. It pains my heart as a mother, because I tell you people, I don't favor nobody, and here there are some people that I might not be favor with, but me not have no idol on here. I am for God. If one person is right, they will be right. If one person is wrong, they will be wrong. I am not pushing to go nowhere. My idol is God, and my aseka moral, and my I don't even remember what it was, some line, the thromboses, the blood thinner them when me take. So I am not running. Listen to me. You see, let me tell you this, because I hear that some voice note come out. I wasn't interested, because I ain't gonna watch nobody. I don't have no time. I hear that some voice. You see, anybody have anything, anybody have anything, anybody wanna fling it out, and you see a certain individual, you see, anybody can tell you me say a 2 things. Whether you no want believe or no believe, that me not come out here come defend no lie and no truth. Me not coming out here, me not pick me for nobody out here. Anybody, I know the first time, any voice note on here come out, and if I feel me voice the panic, as so me say. If I feel me voice the panic, as so me say. If I not feel me voice depend it, that's not my business. If you hear one voice note and them a call me name, uno please to kiss me ass. If you no hear a voice note and them a call me name, please to kiss me ass if you no feel like me involved. It don't concern me if you no don't hear me name. Nobody nah run me from ya. Me not afraid of nobody, and nobody now get come. Me never did that talk from them because that is why nobody could only can tell lie for me. Continue telling no lies. Continue telling no lies. Just make sure say and something. Continue. If me want money, me come out here, come beg. Me no care, me no afraid, me no have no secret. Continue telling no lies. I don't care. It reach a stage now. Let me tell you something. You see all this money banger and when my name a call up, feel free. Anything you want to say. Anything you want to say, anything you want to make up, anything you want to put out, but nobody knows. Me say that is the, me say out of all of the, no, you me sit down on that the info, me couldn't even find the picture. It take me 1 week, possible couple days, because me write down, oh me do my something nobody no know. So no feel see and none of the woman them we call for take down them picture. None of them me no get that the information they from. None. The people them call me for take down them picture. Me no get none of the information they from none of them the people there. Uno can't keep content. Uno company media, me know me no depend the amount of sitting when me have in so. You see if that individual they never faced herself with me, this thing would have the right underneath. I may never carry out the whole story. Cause me have more picture can put out. Me have more things can put out. But what? For what? For what? But no, I ain't not do that. I don't like them something there. People for wicked and bad, but not so. Don't you dare, man. No, somebody can wicked so. I never get those information from those people. The people call about their pitch us to come down. Nobody no know when me get me information. Nobody no know when me I do nothing because if me didn't make people know I'll know more than a bigger things. Me move alone, me is a one woman gang. Can you see things like this? Just like where I go come now with woman or something. You see things like these? These are things that I scared of. When people have a drag, me can drag in people too. I can drag in people too, but no. Me can drag in people too. Me can make mix before. For what? For what? For what? Me can come out, come talk to. Me can show a message to. Me can put out everybody at the two everybody for what? Me can answer and two and say this are true, this are lie, this are true, this are true, this no. Leave the people them out. Leave out and don't tell no. Me no like them something me. The people them never give me that information. And if it come to the test, I will print out none of those individuals that came to take down them picture. I did not. Again, God is my witness. And people don't like why people have to make mix up. And I hope that individual just understand and know, say, listen, it was a misunderstanding, bangarang, gone wrong, but those individuals, you were the cause of it. Because if you are just easy yourself, you were the cause of it. While those victim picture goes out, nobody want them picture past social media. Nobody can beat me. And nobody take the credit for me coming up on crown here. Me no idiot round here, no feel to say me know the decency in me. So guess what? You want somebody and one apart disgrace, you and two apart disgrace. Leave it. Only losers fight for what is not relevant. And sometimes you just give up, you just say, you know what? Give you the win. I am being the bigger person here, but I will not sit down and let innocent people go get blame when other people are going to fight and other people are going to cuss to give people content. Me have thrombosis and me get up, climb, step, go walk. You know what time I got my bed last time? A minute. Tingling. I must be after 4 me get look rest. 2 them me get look rest. Every minute. This, that. After I said, go walk. Even though me struggle, uno go walk. If you don't have something to do, get up too careless. Me know the careless girl thing we don't know. Me know in the careless girl thing with uno. And no girl now get me for come out here come so me know nobody no call me, do not continue calling it. Continue calling it and continue. The only part where me at defend is none of them people there. I didn't get that information from them. The only recording we can come out I went on the people them, if there is any. I want the people them a ball for take down them picture. Ball for take down them picture, which them have all right to. Nobody never send me for nowhere. Come and now walk look information about people. Not walking. Have people coming on my phone. I'm not walking to look information about people. Me have all sorts of topic can talk. Tina Chin come at me kids, I'm a talking. Me not no problem with nobody. Tina Chin come at me kids, and me a deal with she. Me not no problem with nobody. See people all try for brand me. And all try for brand me. Listen to me. Me no keep friend. I don't keep friends. And if me never did that talk, me and somebody me will know something and me not talk. all the time. Me know we know something. Me always the same. Because me tell you something. If me not deal with it, me no need nobody to deal with nothing for me. If me not deal with it, because so nobody can send me out, me no punk. Me no come around. And me not send nobody to do this so because so me can't argue with anybody pan here. And you know the funny thing about it? I gotta say this. You see this thing here, you see money. Me know who I am. If I want something, I come out here and I ask for it. My platform is a blogger, it's my platform. I beg for people, I can beg for myself. If I need something, I want. If I need something, I can ask for it. But some people them just live on a certain individual name and them a go on like so them like a certain individual. I make this one another thing clear. At no time you see the look up what's a petty lie them and I go look upon them. At no time did no blogger. I hear that a blogger was telling me to curse another blogger. You think me careless? You think me, you know what? You think me careless? Me say if you think me careless, nobody no tell me if do nothing. Me turn up for the right. If Tina never know the Uber, if Tina could have just see that woman and leave that woman alone over here, I would have never believe in her like that. And I say, me no problem with nobody. Who for battle, who not fight them own battle. How you not fight no battle. Some of you know. Because some of you know to God and to man. Me, I like that lady. As a black sister, when me say doing good. I have no proof. She's not perfect, but she's a good woman. But me personally know say somehow not to God and to man. If God was like man, him strike and dump somehow and cramp and paralyze, you know. Because I say, if me fit talk something out here, people, you think all the people one can talk, me can talk to. Just take it by me, and a tongue kill Kingston 13 just not going there. It take time and it take energy and it don't look good because someone don't like a woman. Someone is worse than the obsession, the obsessed enemies. Someone don't like the woman, who only have one like who not like a woman just to get the woman people them to come. Some are not full up for no get on pay money for no monetize page. Some are know to God you don't like the woman because things on use to do the woman out here. Things on use to do the woman out here. Some are not ashamed of not become a slung and hear that woman say upon life. So there are certain things she will never forgive out here. And when it come back, I will do it. I will do it.